Hello, my name is Rebecca, and I am an American English teacher. Do you know this song? Almost Heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River, take me home, down country roads. That was one of my favorite songs when I was a little girl. Now I think it's interesting that people all over the world know the song. So the connections we have for people in different countries is a topic that interests me very much. My job is I am an English teacher. I teach at an American public high school. I teach mostly students who speak Spanish. I used to live in China and teach at a university in China. I taught IELTS. For a very short time, I got to teach in a refugee camp in Greece. My students were from the Middle East. So, I am so lucky to have taught students from all over the world who all had very different needs. I try to listen as much as I talk while teaching so I can listen for the type of help my students need. When I'm teaching, it's very important for me to talk to students about what their goals are. What is it that you want to learn? If you tell me what you want to learn, I can make sure we are using your time very wisely and the lessons are valuable to you. So setting goals is very important in teaching. For example, if you want to work on academic English or practice for the IELTS exam, we could practice some questions. If you moved to another country, what would you be worried about? Say that I moved to another country. I'd be very worried about making friends. Provided that I can make friends in a new country, I would be very happy to move there. Unless I'm going to make a lot of money in a new country, I don't want to move to a new country. Notice that I repeated parts of the questions in my answer. Then you could ask me some practice questions. I can give you a native speaker answer and can identify key phrases that would be useful for you to learn to add to your answers. If you want to practice general English or conversational English, we can work on topics like how to pronounce past tense ed. What did you do yesterday? Yesterday, I cooked dinner. I played music. I waited for a friend to call. Notice cooked ends with a T sound. Played ends with a D sound. And waited sounds ID at the end of it. Because there are 3 ways to pronounce the past tense in English. Or another topic I enjoy teaching is about prepositions. Knocked on, knocked over, and knocked up all have 3 different meanings. So, if this sounds useful for you and the type of skills you are wanting to practice, please schedule an appointment with me. I look forward to meeting you.